Do you or your child realize that you are constantly bending your knees when kicking? Do you find that you're kicking as fast as possible and then you look up and you realize you haven't got anywhere? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you 8 different ways that you can correct your flutter kick with the use of flippers. My name is Nathaniel and I'm the swim specialist, and I have a target to influence over 5,000 people how to swim through the use of video by the end of the year. So make sure if you're watching this video that you click subscribe, and I'll show you those 8 ways that you can learn how to perfect your flutter kick with the use of flippers. What is a flutter kick? Well, a flutter kick is where you have your legs close together, they kick up and down in a continuous alternating motion. And who is a flutter kick for? Now, a flutter kick is typically used in children that are wanting to perform a front paddle or a back paddle. It can also be used in adults and children alike when you are practicing your front crawl and back stroke. Now, where should the flutter kick take place? Well, some people have a bad habit of just kicking from their knees or their ankles. But your flutter kick should start from your hips and it should end at your toes, making sure that you engage your quads, your calves, and you use floppy ankles. Now, why is the flutter kick important? It's important because it gives you that propulsion to be able to travel forwards or backwards. Now, if you don't have an effective or efficient flutter kick, it's only going to hinder the rest of your stroke. Safety considerations. When using flippers, there are some things to be mindful of to make sure that you are safe. Now, firstly, a top tip is to make sure that you dip them in the water so they are easy to slide onto your feet. Secondly, make sure that you're sitting down when you are putting them on so that you don't slip or fall over. And number 3, just make sure that when you do have your flippers on, that you walk backwards and not forwards. This will prevent you from falling over yet again. Kick with a big ball forwards. In this exercise, you need to make sure that your chin is on the ball so you can isolate the rest of your body and just focus on that flutter kick. Now, the outcome is to make sure that your legs are close together. Kick with the ball placed on your chest, but this time, can you go backwards? The key point here is to make sure the ball is firmly on your chest and you are holding the side of the ball, not the top. When you are doing that, focus on that leg kick and just make sure that your legs are alternating. They are kicking up and down, one after the other, as if you was walking, running or jogging. This time, you're going to use a kickboard and travel forwards. However, instead of having your head out of the water, the key point here is to make sure that your face is in the water, looking downwards and slightly forwards. Now, the outcome will be that we have the perfect body position, which will allow your hips to float, your legs to float, and it will make sure that we are horizontal in the water, effectively giving you a perfect flutter kick. This time, instead of travelling forwards, you are now going to travel backwards with the kickboard. But the key point here is to make sure that you place that kickboard over your thighs. The outcome is that your knees should stay under the water, making sure that your legs are nice and long, correcting any faults where you constantly bend your knees. This time, you are going to use 2 small balls with your arms extended, and I want you to travel forwards, practicing that flutter kick. The key point is, can you have floppy ankles? The outcome will be that you are using the laces of your feet to push that water away. In this practice, I want you to still use 2 balls. However, can you travel backwards and place those balls by either side? Once you are doing that, the key point here is just to make sure that your legs are continuous and that your ankles are floppy, and the outcome this time will be that there's a slight in-toeing. In-toeing means that your feet naturally will face inwards. Now that you have developed your flutter kick, you are not going to use any equipment, and we just want you to practice that flutter kick with your arms extended. You are going to travel forwards, and the key point here is just to make sure that your legs are fast. Now, the outcome will be that your legs are really effective, and you'll travel from A to B as quick as possible. Yet again, we are going to travel backwards without the use of any equipment. You can either place your arms by your side or have your arms extended. The key point is just to make sure that your legs are kicking slow. The outcome will be that your legs are efficient. What I've shown you today is 8 different ways that you can learn how to swim or teach others with the use of flippers. If you've enjoyed today's video, just make sure that you give us a like, because that will help me get notified on YouTube. And if you want to join my community and my squad, then make sure that you click subscribe, the bell as well, so you can be notified of future videos. Every week we'll be releasing valuable content that will help you increase your skills or share your knowledge with others. Finally, if you want to purchase a pair of flippers, then there'll be a link where you can get them directly below. That's it from me. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.